Hello everyone. Stock prices are booming. Nothing goes up forever. When it comes down, we must be prepared to scoop some good stocks. What to buy, when to buy, and when to sell. I will address these three key questions with three stocks you can consider in the year of 2024. Welcome back to STA Club. SPX has been roaring upwards. Prices are making higher highs. Looking at the RSI, there is bearish divergence. With this understanding, prices would probably retrace. Today, I want to talk about three stocks, why I think they are good businesses, and a fair valuation for each of them. Knowing the above, investors can be prepared to invest at a reasonable price in the year 2024. Stock number one, Hershey's. The Hershey Company engages in the manufacture and marketing of chocolate, sweets, mints, and confectionery products. Let's take a look at the chart. This is the weekly chart of Hershey's. Technically, it is on a long-term uptrend, currently at the bottom of the uptrend channel. From a capital allocation perspective, ROE is 54% and ROIC is 23%. These are very impressive numbers. Fundamentally, for the past 5 years, it has been increasing at a rate of about 7 to 8%. Using relative valuation, price to free cash flow gives us a median price of about $225. That's the blue line here you see on the chart. The green line is one standard deviation below the median price. That works out to be about $179, which is really close to the current price. I would say 160 to 180 is a price zone worth looking at. On the weekly chart, some form of bullish divergence is happening. As SPX is high now, if it turns back down, Hershey's prices may be brought down together. If that happens, I would like to see weekly prices present a nice bullish divergence, which would marry nicely with the 160 to 180 price range. Stock number two, Berkshire Hathaway. This is Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger's company, idols of many esteemed investors. Berkshire is a conglomerate with multiple businesses. Technically, the chart is on an uptrend. Reading their letters, Mr. Warren Buffett often talks about book value as a rough gauge for the company's value. I went to investigate by plotting the median price to book on the chart. Interestingly, prices tend to hover around the median price, as you can see, the blue line here, and sometimes one standard deviation lower, which is the green line. A reasonable price zone seems to be about 320 to 330. Patience is a virtue, and I would like to see prices come to the price zone on the daily chart. Stock number three, Google. Not a stranger to most people, Google, also known as Alphabet, is known for its ads, Android, Chrome, hardware, Google Cloud, Google Maps, Google Play, Search, and YouTube. Technically, it is in an uptrend. Fundamentally, cash flow has been growing at about 20%. Taking a 15-year view, if it keeps on growing at 20% for the next 5 years and slow down over the next 10 years, a fair price would be around $173. Knowing this, do we just jump in at $140 and wait for 15 years for price to hit 173? Sounds possible, but not for me. I would like to see price go into the range of 120 to 130 before making an entry. At the start of this video, we expected some pullback. Hence, I want to be more conservative by looking at 120 to 130. We need to be patient before we consider taking action. And this is my game plan for these three stocks in the year of 2024. Happy New Year and happy trading. See you next time.